Happy French Friday to you. I hope that you will enjoy the DIY projects I have to share with you today. And I hope you all have a nice weekend. Oh, and I promise you that my summer home tour is coming to you soon, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, today I have some DIY projects I wanted to share with you that I am making. And if you want to also make these projects, this is what you will need. You will either need 3 pie pans from the Dollar Tree store. You will also need E6000, and then you will need some kind of spray paint of your choice and whatever color you would like to get in that. And then you will need either thrifted glass candle sticks like I have here that I purchased for 99 cents each, or you can purchase them brand new like this one from the Dollar Tree store. And then again, I have another thrifted one for 99 cents down here. Before I begin, I will be taking the price off of the candlesticks. You will also need, if you want to make this other kind I will be making, you will need 3 Christmas tins that I purchased mine at my local church thrift store that I have here. And most thrift stores do carry some type of Christmas tins, so you can usually find them there. I purchased these they were 3 for $1 at my thrift store. So I will go ahead and get started with this project. Okay, the next project I wanted to share with you are these French glasses here that I purchased a little while back and I shared with you in a haul video. And I'm going to be attaching them, I think, to these glass candlesticks here. This one I thrifted, and then this one I got at the Dollar Tree store new. And I wanted something that was 2 different heights here. I wanted one to be a little bit higher, one to be a little bit lower. I'm going to be using these glasses. Instead of using them for glasses, I'm going to be using them for candle holders. So I wanted to just attach them to something to make them look a little bit different. I think this will be really cute. I did find this a while back, and I thought I would use this, but I haven't been able to find another one at a different height that was similar to this style to use for this project. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and use these glass candlesticks for this project. Okay, the next little project here I want to share with you are these cute little sheep that I purchased for $1 each from the Dollar General store. And I'm going to be attaching them together with glue, and then I'll be able to set a cute little dish on top. And I think that's going to make a really nice little French country little display. Okay, while I'm working on these other projects, I thought I might as well get these 2 painted. I purchased these roosters from the thrift store, and I think they'll look really nice, French country touch in my dining room or kitchen area. So I purchased this little one for $2.99, but it was half off day at the Salvation Army store, so I got that half price. And then this one I purchased at the thrift store for $3. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those painted while I'm working on my other projects here as well. Okay guys, I thought since I am already painting, working on some projects here, I might as well paint these two. I've been meaning to get to these and paint them for a while now and just haven't got around to it. So I'm going to be painting these as well, and I like decorating and putting things at different heights when I decorate, so having things at different levels. So these I thought would be perfect for that purpose. And I like doing things in odd numbers, so I thought the 3 of these would be cute together, or of course you could use them singly as well. I purchased this one for $6 at Dollar General store, and it's for a candle, but you know, you can put all different kinds of things on there. And then this one I believe was $8, and then this one was $6. So at one of my local little shops I like to go to, antique shops. So I'm going to go ahead and paint these while I'm doing my other projects.